Continuous quality improvement capabilities utilizing the latest CNC equipment and CAD design. At Albion Machine and Tool, we're dialed in. Looking for experience? We get the drill. From hole tapping to huge runs with fourth axis capabilities, we manufacture milled parts at competitive rates and condensed setup times. We utilize a wide variety of materials and optimize our tools accordingly to ensure the fastest cycle times and highest quality. And our precision turn parts and live tooling capabilities deliver the quality solutions and quick turnaround experienced from exacting specifications, all accomplished on a variety of lathes and run by experienced machinists that make producing even the most complex part look easy. For challenging project solutions, cost-saving strategies, and complete design capabilities, go beyond standard with Albion Machine and Tool, a proud part of the Caster Concepts family. Caster Concepts, beyond standard.